In this video, you'll learn how to make a one-time payment on eBay. By following these steps, you will be able to settle any outstanding balances efficiently and ensure that your transactions are handled smoothly. Begin by logging into your eBay account. Once you are signed in, navigate to your account settings. Look for the section labeled Payments or Billing. This is where you will find any outstanding balances or invoices. Take a moment to review the amount due and note the payment deadline. It is also important to confirm the payment method you plan to use, as this will be necessary for the next steps. Next, locate the option that allows you to make a payment. This may be labeled as Pay Now or Make Payment next to the balance you need to settle. After clicking this button, you will be prompted to select your preferred payment method. Options typically include credit or debit cards and bank transfers. Carefully enter all required payment details to avoid any errors. Before proceeding, double check the amount displayed to ensure it matches what you intend to pay. Verify that your selected payment method has sufficient funds to cover the transaction. Once everything is accurate, continue to the confirmation step. This is crucial as it ensures that your payment is processed without issues. After confirming the payment, submit the transaction and wait for a confirmation message to appear on your screen. It is advisable to save the receipt or your records. To verify that your balance has been cleared, refresh the billing page. Additionally, check your email for a payment confirmation notice, which serves as proof of the completed transaction. And there you have it. You have successfully completed your one-time payment on eBay. Thanks for watching and see you soon.